Hello my bunnies, welcome back. So today we are making a no-bake bunny cheesecake. Cheesecake is one of my most favorite things to do, and I realized I've never done like a bunny cheesecake before, so we are doing it today. How cute are these? Oh my goodness. So let's get started. Okay, so first to make the base, combine some crushed nilla wafers with some melted butter and mix well. So nilla wafers are just vanilla flavored wafers. If you don't have these, any kind of plain cookie works great. Then press the cookie base into 4 small juice glasses or 2 large wine glasses. The wine glasses will give you maybe like 2.5 servings per glass, or if you just want to like go crazy on cheesecake, but you can use smaller glasses if you just want like 1 even serving per glass. Then to make the face, pour some melted chocolate into a piping bag and snip a small hole at the end. Carefully pipe the rabbit's nose, eyes, and whiskers onto the inside of the glasses. Then place the glasses in the fridge to chill while you make the filling. And pipe the chocolate on sparingly. You don't want to pipe on too much because the weight of it is going to pull the face down if it's too heavy, if you know what I mean. So just put a little bit. To make the filling, place the cream cheese in a large bowl and beat with an electric mixer until smooth. Add some sugar and vanilla extract and combine. Add the whipping cream and whip until stiff peaks form. Spoon the cheesecake into the glasses. Use clean scissors to cut each marshmallow in half diagonally. Dunk the sticky side of the marshmallow into the pink sanding sugar. Place 2 marshmallow halves on top of each cheesecake to create bunny ears. Then just chill the cheesecakes in the fridge for 30 minutes and you are done. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you liked this recipe. If you're looking for some other Easter recipes, I have a ton on my channel. Even if you're stuck at home, you can still have a cute Easter with these recipes. So I'll link it down here for you guys to check out. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. And I'll see you actually on Monday for a new video. I promised this last week, but it ended up being like a lot more work than I expected. But I have an hour-long video of my dogs coming for you guys on Monday because I figured like, what is the best distraction this time? For me, it's my dog, so I would love to share them with you. So it's literally like an hour of just them, like being cute and playing and eating and like being sassy. So definitely stay tuned on Monday. But yeah, anyways, I love you guys so much. And yeah, I'll see you on Monday for the dogs and Tuesday for a chocolate bunny recipe. Bye.